kilo of the indigo leaf can make 1 kilo of the indigo mud. This is the main mix into here. And when we want to do the dye, we have to stirring it first to see the color. If the color turn light green, it means we can do the dye today. This is ready. We can put silk or cotton, do the dye in about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. But at first the color is green. But when we pull up and down, squeeze, watching here, take time, it will turning blue a little bit more and more. Then we do the design first before put the dye.
So it's very easy. So you can see which kind of line do you want, and you have to imagine that when you use the rubber band, the part that the rubber band is covered will be white, and the part that without the rubber band is gonna be blue. So when you tie it, you have to tie it tight so the color cannot get in.
When we do weaving, we have to counting the length first. If we want to do about 10 scarf, we have to count in here about 20 meters. Then we counting in here 1 meter, 2 meter until 20 meter, and then put in the weaving room. This is our traditional weaving room. We have to setting the warp and the web. This is the warp from here. We put in here and join one by one to the handle. For separate the layer, they will join with the bamboo to open left side, right side here. When we join the handle finish, we have to join in the beater for the weaving to make it tight. And we start to weave. This one we will take about 2 weeks.